Training System, AntiDrone. The AntiDrone system is designed to train personnel to engage incoming FPV attack drones using a pump-action shotgun or an assault rifle. The simulator recreates a realistic combat environment with audio-visual effects across a range of scenarios. In open terrain, in a trench, at a checkpoint, while moving from a vehicle, during the day and at night, and under various weather conditions. Flexible scenario customization allows users to set the number of drones, their speed, altitude, flight path, and maneuverability. Users can also select the weapon type, ammunition, and choke configuration. AntiDrone is a virtual training environment where every session helps develop reaction speed, coordination, and accuracy. Regular practice turns skills into reflexes. Reflexes that can help save lives in critical situations.